Ready to take your woodworking and DIY game to the next level? From precision pliers, adjustable wrenches, and nail pullers, to Ultra-Shear router bits, miter sleds, and smart measuring tools, we've got the ultimate lineup of 15 must-have tools that make every cut, carve, and project faster, cleaner, and insanely precise. Stick around to see which ones will revolutionize your workshop. Today we're checking out the Woodpeckers Steady Curve Band Saw Template Guide, an ingenious accessory that makes cutting contoured shapes on your bandsaw faster and more accurate. Instead of trying to follow a drawn line, this guide holds your pattern and guides the blade just outside it, leaving a perfect amount of material for a final router trim. It clamps firmly to your bandsaw table and works with 1/8 and 1/4 blades, speeding up projects and improving consistency. If you do curved work, this tool is a game changer. Today we're checking out the Ultra-Shear Extended Reach Spiral Joinery Bit, a precision-engineered router bit designed for deep, clean cuts right where you need them. This extended reach spiral bit lets you plunge and cut with incredible smoothness, making joinery, dados, and mortises faster and more accurate. The spiral design ejects chips cleaner for less burning and smoother surfaces, even in hardwoods. Built tough and long enough for deeper stock removal, it's a go-to upgrade for any serious woodworker's router setup. Today we're checking out the Ultra-Shear Folding Miter Bits, a compact, precision-engineered set that takes your miter cuts to the next level. These bits are designed to give ultra-clean, accurate cuts at common angles, so your frames, trim, and molding fit perfectly every time. Built tough in the USA with sharp, durable edges, they deliver smoother cuts with less tear-out on wood, MDF, and composite materials. Whether you're building picture frames or trim work, this set makes professional-grade results easier and faster. Today we're checking out the Ultra-Shear Folding Miter Bits, a compact, precision-engineered set that takes your miter cuts to the next level. These bits are designed to give ultra-clean, accurate cuts at common angles, so your frames, trim, and molding fit perfectly every time. Built tough in the USA with sharp, durable edges, they deliver smoother cuts with less tear-out on wood, MDF, and composite materials. Whether you're building picture frames or trim work, this set makes professional-grade results easier and faster. Today we're checking out the Ultra-Shear Extended Reach Spiral Joinery Bit, a precision-engineered router bit designed for deep, clean cuts right where you need them. This extended reach spiral bit lets you plunge and cut with incredible smoothness, making joinery, dados, and mortises faster and more accurate. The spiral design ejects chips cleaner for less burning and smoother surfaces, even in hardwoods. Built tough and long enough for deeper stock removal, it's a go-to upgrade for any serious woodworker's router setup. Today we're checking out the Woodpeckers Stealth Stop Miter Sled, a precision-engineered sled that takes cross-cut accuracy to the next level. This sled locks down your board and gives repeatable, rock-solid 90 degrees and angled cuts every time. With adjustable stops and a smooth sliding base, you'll get cleaner ends without guesswork, ideal for picture frames, boxes, and fine woodworking. Built tough and easy to set up, it's the kind of accessory that turns good cuts into great ones. If you love precision, this sled is a game changer. Today we're checking out the General Tools 444 Angle and Depth Gauge, a super handy measuring tool that helps you find precise angles and depths quickly and accurately. Whether you're setting bevels, checking saw blade angles, or measuring hole depths, this gauge gives clear, easy-to-read measurements without guesswork. Its compact, durable design fits right in your toolbox, and the easy-to-use sliding arm makes any measuring job faster and more reliable. If you like accuracy and speed on the job, this gauge is a must-have accessory for carpenters and DIYers alike. Today we're checking out the Ultra-Shear Carbide tipped V-groove finger grip bits, a precision bit set designed to make routing tasks cleaner and easier. These V-groove bits are perfect for chamfers, decorative grooves, lettering, and edge work. The carbide tipped construction keeps the edges sharper longer, so cuts stay smooth even after heavy use. Whether you're doing cabinetry, signage, or detailed router projects, this pack delivers consistent performance and crisp results. If you're serious about clean, sharp routes, this bit set is a great upgrade for your router toolkit. Today we're checking out the Adjusta-Joint stainless steel gauge block set, a precision measuring tool every serious machinist, woodworker, or tool geek needs. These hardened, calibrated blocks give you accurate reference lengths for setup, inspection, and calibration work. Drop them into jigs, squares, or test cuts to dial in flawless fits every time. Made from durable stainless steel, they resist rust and hold accuracy over years of use. If you love precision and want perfect measurements on every project, this set is a must-have in your toolkit. Today we're checking out the Adjusta-Joint box joint router jig, a precision woodworking accessory that makes box joint construction fast, accurate, and repeatable. Whether you're building drawers, boxes, or furniture, this jig lets you dial in perfectly spaced finger joints every time without guesswork. Its adjustable fence and stops give you control over joint thickness, and the sturdy build keeps everything square and tight. If you love woodworking and want professional-looking joinery with less hassle, this jig is a game-changer in your shop. Today we're checking out the Conical Woodworking Milling Bird's Mouth Bits, precision bits designed for tight, clean cuts on hardwood, softwood, plywood, and chipboard. These 3 flute bits give smooth chip-free results and great control when routing curved slots, dados, or intricately shaped profiles. The bird's mouth geometry helps guide the bit for consistent cuts, and the carbide tip design stays sharp longer than typical bits. Whether you're making furniture, cabinets, or decorative pieces, these bits help make clean, crisp cuts with professional results. Today we're checking out the Conical height and gap setting gauge, a precision setup tool that takes the guesswork out of bandsaw, table saw, and jointer adjustments. This gauge helps you dial in accurate blade heights, dado widths, and blade to fence gaps quickly and clearly, so your cuts stay consistent and clean every time. Its easy-to-read scale and durable construction makes setups faster than eyeballing measurements. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or fine woodworking pieces, this gadget saves time and improves accuracy, a real shop game-changer. Today we're checking out this stainless steel pocket compass, a simple yet rugged navigation tool made for hikers, campers, and everyday adventurers. Its stainless steel body feels solid and durable in your hand, while the clear directional markings make it easy to find your bearings on the trail or in unfamiliar territory. Compact enough to fit in a pocket or backpack, this compass doesn't need batteries and works wherever you go. Reliable, lightweight, and perfect for outdoor gear kits, it's the kind of tool you'll reach for on every adventure. Today we're checking out the SimHeaven Digital Caliper Rule Attachment, a smart accessory that turns your regular woodworking square or rule into a precise digital measuring tool. With easy attachment and a clear LCD readout, you can quickly measure thickness, depth, and inside/outside dimensions with accuracy down to fractions of an inch. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY precision tasks. If you love exact measurements and faster setups, this digital caliper add-on is a handy upgrade you'll use again and again. Today we're checking out the SimHeaven Flush Trim and Bullnose Scriber, a simple but super useful tool for woodworking and finishing jobs. This handy scriber lets you accurately mark trim lines, create perfect flush edges, and transfer profiles with ease. Its precise tip hugs surfaces so your cuts stay tight and clean, saving you time on layout and trimming. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's great for cabinet work, baseboard installs, and detailed joinery. For anyone who values clean, exact fits, this tool is a small upgrade with big payoff.